How to stretch videos in CapCut. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut, import your video, and then at the bottom, simply scroll to the left. Scroll till you find ratio. Simply you'll find ratio beside templates. Click on ratio, and then you'll find all these options pop up. There are many default settings, which is TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and other ratios. If you want to simply size it how you want, simply click on Fit, which is the first. From there, you can zoom in and zoom out your video in this way. After you're done, click on tick mark located at bottom right, and you're good to go. This is how to stretch videos in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.